Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert multiple pictures in Excel sheet. Let's get started. At first, open your Excel sheet. Now we want to insert the multiple picture into this sheet. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the picture option. Then choose picture from your file. Now I am select a picture, then press and control and select another image. Now I am select this image, then click insert. We can see here we insert multiple image at once. Now I am resize the image, then move on the page. Now I am select a single image and move this. We can see we insert multiple image into Excel sheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.